The biggest shock, Tamil Nadu isn't just a service economy anymore. Manufacturing has taken over as the growth engine of Tamil Nadu, expanding at 14.7% last year compared to India's 4.5%. 4.5%, 14%. This is powered by the largest factory cluster in India. Over 40,000 factories spanning automobiles, textiles, electronics, and now EVs. Apple iPhones are now assembled here by Foxconn and Pegatron. Tens of thousands of jobs have been created. From Ola Electric to Winfast, Tamil Nadu is now India's hub for EV, electric vehicles, advanced batteries and auto components. Tuticorin is even being called India's new automotive hub.